In this example, we'll be preparing data so that we can analyze the sales impact from web ads across different regions and websites. To start the data wrangling process, we'll move into Trifacta's interface, where I've prepared a flow with datasets sourced from Google Sheets and BigQuery. Here, I can easily preview my datasets, saving me time if I need to navigate larger, more complex data projects. Trifacta makes it easy to connect and standardize data that comes from disparate sources in varying file formats. If I wanted to add additional datasets to this flow, I could choose from a full list of sources from on-premise or cloud platforms. For the purpose of this walkthrough, we'll go ahead and cancel this operation and use the data that we already have. With our data sources connected, we can begin the data transformation process by creating a Trifacta recipe and start wrangling our advertising clickstream data. Trifacta makes it easy for me to identify data quality issues through active and visual data profiling. Using histograms, I can easily see the distribution, type, and format of data values, immediately noting if I have ill-formatted data. Here, I can see that I have mismatched and missing values. Using clicks, rather than code, I can select and apply the most appropriate transformation and address data quality issues in seconds. This dataset still has some mismatched values and requires additional data transformations. To accomplish this, I can zoom in and see more detailed profiling. Here, I can see a breakdown of mismatched values separated by frequency. The data transformation suggestions I'm seeing here are intuitive, and will change depending on the particular data I'm trying to standardize. In cases where similar values are formatted differently, such as with date patterns, Trifacta can automatically identify similarities between formats and suggest the most relevant standardization, so that all dates are formatted the same. This is an incredibly challenging operation that I can accomplish in Trifacta in just a few clicks, without writing any code. In this example, when I hover over the part of the data I'd like to extract, Trifacta offers previews for several transformation suggestions, allowing me to select the one I want, or edit a suggestion to customize it for my needs. Now that my clickstream data is clean, I can visually join, union, or blend datasets, making it easy to enrich and combine disparate data in a consistent, interactive view. As I initiate a join, Trifacta has automatically inferred the best columns to join on. If this inference were incorrect, I could also manually edit the join keys. When setting up my join, Trifacta allows me to select or exclude individual columns from either table, giving me a fully customizable combination of the exact data I want, with just a few clicks. With visual joins and unions, it's easy for me to consolidate datasets together. With Trifacta, not only are joins easier to accomplish, but they're also more flexible as well. If I wanted to adjust the join or edit other steps in my recipe as I'm discovering my data, Trifacta gives me the flexibility to do so. In this case, I'm happy with my data preparation work, and I'm now ready to publish the output to downstream applications or databases. To do this, I'll add an output step to my flow, following my data transformation recipe and join. To allow for maximum flexibility, Trifacta allows me to edit, add, or remove publishing options at any time. Before publishing, Trifacta automatically selects the best processing engine to transform the data at scale. For smaller datasets, up to 1 GB, execution can be done natively on Trifacta's in-memory engine, while larger datasets can be automatically pushed down to the most appropriate processing engine, such as Dataflow, BigQuery, or Snowflake. Trifacta plans enable the coordination of multiple flows sequentially and in parallel, and can integrate with external applications, allowing for powerful automation. In this case, I'll set up my flow to send a Slack alert to my IT colleagues if my job fails. I'll now schedule the plan, allowing me to automate these repetitive data tasks into a consistent data pipeline. By doing this, I can produce a repeatable output and automate my data engineering needs. To explore for yourself, try out a free trial today, and share the platform with your colleagues.